Hello and welcome back. My name is Safa and this is the intermediate level of MATLAB image processing. In this video, we learn about color image, how to split RGB channels, and how to convert to grayscale. Unlike grayscale images, which need only one matrix, a color image is composed of three matrices: red, green, and blue. When combined, these matrices create the full color image. Okay. Here we load the classic MATLAB sample image, purpose.png. Okay, notice that this is an RGB image, not grayscale. Okay, each channel can be accessed separately using the third dimension of the image matrix. Let's see how to display each channel individually. Here we split the image into red, green, and blue. Red, green, and blue. Okay, done. Notice how each channel represents only the intensity of that color. Red channel, green channel, and blue. MATLAB allows us to convert a color image to grayscale easily. This removes color information and keeps only intensity value. Okay. Now we see the grayscale version of the image. RGB to gray and show gray. Okay. Run. Compare this to the RGB channels. All color information is combined into shades of gray. Okay, so today we learned how MATLAB handles color images, how to split them into separate channels, and how to convert to grayscale. In the next video, we'll explore advanced filtering techniques. Stay with me and follow the story. Thanks for watching.